What we're going to do first is examine a single file, exploring it, sorting it, and creating filters in here. So we're just examining the metadata on the opportunities file, so we can see it's got a fairly large number of columns. We're going to close this window and open the file itself up in the main panel. As the file builds, we can see some metadata at the top. We see the rows coming onto display as well. So it's a sampling of rows that we can look at any time. And we can scroll across all of the 200 or so columns now to see a sample of the contents there. In this top bar, we can see how well populated a column is. And the histograms allow us to see the distribution of the most common values there. What we're going to do now is click on the info button, and we see in detail the values and the frequency of those values. And we're now going to find a numeric column so we can see the statistics, and it generates some simple statistical breakdown of that column. Next, we're going to filter this amount column. So what we're looking for, we can see some large negative numbers here. So what we're doing is going to isolate and retain only the positive numbers. So put a 0 in there, hit apply, and we will be left with only the positive numbers. So we're going to go into the amount field again and sort it. And then we're going to go into the stage name field and apply another filter. So we can see the categories, and we're going to apply a category filter. Here we're only interested in the closed won and closed lost. So as we type, it brings up the available entries. We can select from those, and you can see the count of those as well. So we'll apply that filter. And we're seeing the file with the applied filters.